Morning thoughts, morning thoughts, morning thoughts. Upful and thankful for life this morning, and I'll give thanks for life. Shout out to the people going out to work. Shout out to the people coming in from work. Shout out to all the good-hearted, clean-hearted people I'm out there. Extra special shout out to the people who are working 2 jobs. Alright? Manners and respect, big up and bless up to all the entrepreneurs, my truck driver them on the road. Stay safe because it's sticky out there. Big up to the retirees, shout out to the people them who are looking for employment and can't find none. Just keep your head up and keep on going strong. This morning we bring to you an artist by the name of the Kiddo, and we're going to talk about the Kiddo for a minute. Then we're going to ask that you go find his YouTube channel, check out his music, and subscribe to his channel as well. You know that over here on SouFLoTV, we're all about enjoying life. We're all about being thankful to the Most High for life, because life is for us to live, and we have to be thankful for life, right? Yes. So, in the meantime, in between time, live life to the fullest, and I hope you have a wonderful, progressive, productive day. Alright, now as we move to talk about the artist, the Kiddo. Hear that? Kiddo, life is for us to live, right? Go and enjoy it and be positive. So, let's talk a little bit about Kiddo here. In this video, we are featuring 2 songs with 2 videos. One was Love Life, which you just saw a snippet of and heard, and the other one is Just the Same So, which you will see a video of in a minute. Let's talk about the artist for a second. So, I asked Kiddo to tell me a bit about himself, and Kiddo said he's a reggae dancehall artist that is inspired by love. The love he has for the music and the artists that he's listened to while growing up, such as Dennis Brown, Bob Marley, Bounty Killer, and the great Sizzla Kalonji. He said he migrated to the United States of America for some time now, and he's been working on developing himself as an artist. And now that he is the Kiddo, which is his favorite artist, it's time for the world to know the Kiddo. Live and direct, which is only right. Alright. You can find him on Instagram. You can find him on Facebook. You can find him on YouTube. And all those links will be provided in this video somewhere. Pay attention and link the artist. Alright. He said that his music is available on all digital platforms. On all digital platforms. So that means that the brother is doing his thing. Check out his YouTube channel, where you will find music to inspire you, to entertain you, and to uplift you. Also, he has a lot more projects coming soon to be released for this summer and for the rest of the year, such as singles, videos, and collaborations with artists that are well known in the business. That is the Kiddo. Let me tell you something, SouFLoTV audience. This is what I like about Kiddo. The Kiddo has his own sound, his own style. I don't know if you realize it, but right now it's like almost everyone sounds the same. And the artists that are able to step out, branch out, and establish themselves are artists that can somehow own their own sound, develop their own sound, and step into their own sound, right? And Kiddo definitely has his own sound and his own style of flow. It doesn't go with what's out there, and when you hear him, you know that it's him, right? So right now we're gonna take it away with the other video, and the other video is just the same. So pay attention, man. So there you have it, and that one is called Just the Same So by Kiddo. If you notice, his videos are clean. If you notice, his lyrics are clean. The man never did a bag of expletives and stuff. You can play music with kids around you, don't it? Alright. So, what I want you to do now is I want you to stay tuned for the artist's information so you can go check out. I'm asking you, SouFlo is asking his audience, go check out the man Connects, especially his YouTube channel. Let him know that SouFLoTV sent you and you saw him here. Alright, give a brother some encouragement. Lift him up. Alright, big up and bless up on yourself, people. We say positivity and progress. Alright, I'm out. Big up, Kiddo. Crime scene music, crime scene music, crime scene.